Hello everyone. I'm excited to share with you about my upcoming events at Conscious Life Expo 2018. On February 9th, at the Hispanic section of the expo, from 8 to 9:30 in the evening, I will be offering a workshop, Learn how to do fifth dimensional quantum distance healing. I will be giving you tools and exercises, and I'm almost sure that each and every one of you will be able to do distance healing by the end of this 1.5 hour dynamic workshop. The next day, on February 10th, I will be offering my signature event, Shamanic Transformational Group Healing event, accompanied by my beloved friend Evan Perman, who's an excellent sound vibrational healer. This particular event is about healing, and each and every person who's attending will be receiving a hands-on shamanic healing and may be getting a psychic surgery. On Sunday the 11th, from 1 to 2 p.m., I'm offering a lecture about overcome your anxiety by entering into the fifth dimensional quantum space. Followed by that, on Monday 12th, after the expo is over, we're having the post-conference workshops. From 8 to 10:30 p.m., I'm offering third eye activation and Awaken the Healer Within workshop. In this dynamic 2.5 hour workshop, each and every participant will be receiving an activation. I will also give you the tools of how to keep your pineal gland open and your third eye activated. And as a result of that, you begin to feel an increased energy into your hands, and you will be able to do some healing work. I look forward to seeing you all. For more information, visit my website, zarathustra.tv, and I look forward in seeing you in February 9 to 12. Namaste, and God bless you all.